everyone and welcome back to Instrumentation Hub. In today's video, we are going to talk about control valves. Control valves क्या है, इंडस्ट्रीज में ये कैसे यूज होते हैं एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कंट्रोल वाल्व्स. ये सब चीज़ें हम आज के वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं. बट बिफोर मूविंग अहेड, आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe Instrumentation Hub and join me in the amazing learning journey. Okay, so let's get started. Control valves are the devices used to control the flow of fluids, liquids, gases or slurries through a system of pipe or the tubes. They are essential components in various industries including manufacturing, energy production, water treatment, pharmaceutical, chemical, etc. etc. There are many types of control valves which are available in the market, and each valve with its own design and its own working principle. In further part of this video, we are going to talk about these different types of the valves. But before that, let's understand what are the different applications of these control valves. As I said, control valves are used in various industrial and process control applications to regulate the flow of fluids. The fluids can be liquid or gases. Control valve has the several important purposes. The first one is the flow regulation. Control valves are primarily used to control the rate of the flow of the fluid by adjusting the valve position. It is possible to increase or decrease the flow by adjusting the valve position. This is crucial in processes where precise control of flow rate is necessary to control the efficiency and the safety. Next purpose of this valve is to pressure regulation. Control valves can also be used to control the system pressure. The pressure can be adjusted by partially opening and the closing of the valve to meet the desired set point, which ensures the process is in the safe operating limit. So, the next purpose of this control valve is to temperature control. Control valves can be employed to regulate the flow of the heat transfer fluid such as steam or the cooling water, where the temperature control is important. The next purpose is the level control. Control valves are used in the tanks or the vessels to control the liquid level. You can prevent overfilling or maintain a consistent level by adjusting a valve position. This is essential in industries like chemical processing and the water treatment plants. Okay, so next purpose is the mixing and blending. Control valves are used to mix different fluids in a precise proportion to achieve a specific chemical composition or to blend a raw material in a various manufacturing processes. Next application of the control valves is in a batch processing. Control valves helps in achieving accurate timing and sequencing of different operations within a production cycle. An example you can see on the screen. With the control valves, it is possible to maintain a production cycle without any human interference. Next important industrial application of the control valve is safety and emergency shutdown. Control valves are the important part of the safety systems and the emergency shutdown systems, where they can be used to isolate or drive a fluid flow in a case of abnormal conditions to prevent accidents and the equipment damage. With such systems, you can prevent your plant and the process. Next is one more important application, which is emission control. Control valves also plays important role in the environmental applications. They can be used to regulate and release of the emission and the pollution particles into the atmosphere, ensuring the compliance with the environmental regulations. Control valves are designed to provide the precise and the responsive control over the fluids and the other process variables, which makes them essential components in a wide range of industries, including oil and gas, pharmaceutical, chemical, petrochemical, power generation, water treatment, and many other. They are often a key part of an automated control system, helping to maintain safe and efficient operations. Now we will move to the different types of control valves. The first type is gate valve. Gate valves control flow by raising and lowering a gate. A gate is a flat or the wedge-shaped disc which can be inserted into or out of the flow path. When the gate is lifted, the valve is fully open, which allows liquid to flow. When the gate is low, then the valve is closed and which blocks the flow. For more understanding, you can refer the image on the screen. The next type is ball valve. Ball valves have a spherical ball with a hole through the center. Rotating a ball by 90 degrees using the valve handle aligns with the bore or the pipe helps to allow or block the flow through the pipe. Ball valves provides a quick shutdown and minimum pressure drops. Next type is the butterfly valves. Butterfly valves feature a disc mounted on a central shaft. We can control the flow by rotating a disc by a quarter. When the disc is parallel, the valve is fully open, and when the disc is perpendicular, the valve is fully closed. Butterfly valves are used in the large pipe sizes, which helps to provide a relatively quick shutoff and with a small pressure drops. Next valve type is a globe valve. Globe valves use a movable plug and a stationary ring to control the flow. Turning the handwheel or actuator moves the plug up or the down, which helps to adjust the size of the flow passage. Globe valves are good for regulating the flow and controlling the pressure, which makes them suitable for the precise flow control. Next valve type is a check valve. Check valves allow flow in one direction and prevent flow back. They usually consist of a flat or the disc that moves away from the flow when it is directed closes the flow. Pipelines commonly use the check valves to prevent the backflow and to protect the equipment from the damage. Last but not the least, next type is the needle valve. Needle valves have a slender, pointed like a needle, which is screwed into a conical seat. By rotating the stem, flow can be adjusted at required set point. Needle valves are used for the precise flow control in the application where gradual and controlled flow rate is needed. Understood? These are just a few examples of valve types. There are many more variations and the designs available in the specific applications. The choice of the valve is depend on the factors like the type of the fluid, pressure, temperature, flow rate, and the required control level. So you can consider these factors and choose the control valves which is needed. I hope you understand some basics about the control valves, and I hope you found this video useful. If you have any doubt regarding control valves, you can ask me in the comments. I would love to answer your doubts. So that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Instrumentation Hub for such amazing videos and increase your instrumentation knowledge. If you found this video useful, then share it with your friends and help them to learn new things. So see you all in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.